Bonjour et bienvenue à Easy French. So today we are going to learn about the conjugation of the verb être, that means to be. Well, remember this is an auxiliary verb which means through the help of this verb we make the sentence even in past tense. So it's very important to learn this verb by heart. So let's go. Well, before we conjugate the verb, let me also see about the subject pronoun, because through which we can conjugate the verb. Now these are je, that means I, tu, you, that's an informal way, you, normally we use it for the younger ones, il, he, ill, and that's he, elle, she, elle, nous, and that means we, vous, 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 and that means you. And that's a formal way of saying, and there's two meanings of this. Vous, either we can use it for only singular one, that is you, or you all. Il, now this is ILS. Now it's a group of either a masculine only or a mixed group which has a masculine and the feminine both. So in that case we have to use il, L, and that's ELLES, L. Now this is a group especially for the feminines. So these are all the subject pronouns through which we conjugate all the verbs. But please remember that these subject pronouns, the four we write on the left are the singular ones, and four which we write on the right hand side, that's a plural one. So remember, that's a very important thing. So let me conjugate the verb être, and that means to be. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. That's an informal way of saying it. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Remember, these four are the singular ones which we have to put it on the left hand side. Now comes to the right hand side, and that is nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes. Now there's a little sound of z comes in between. Vous êtes. That's because the verb starts with a vowel here. So we say it vous êtes. That means you are. Now remember, we can use it for two ways. Either for singular person who is elder to you, that's a formal way of saying you are, or you all are. So for both, we can use vous êtes. Ils sont, they are. Now this is a group of, as I already mentioned, might be a group of only boys or a group of boys and girls both. That's a mixed group. So in that case, we have to use il, I-L-S. Ils sont, they are. And the last one, elles sont. That means they are, especially a group of only feminine. So this is the conjugation of the verb être in the present tense. Let me see some examples how to frame the sentence. So if I want to say I am big, it is je suis grand. Je suis grand. Remember to put an E in the end for the feminine, and the pronunciation changes to grande. So if a girl is saying, it is je suis grande, but for the masculine it is je suis grand. Take one more example. He is Indian. So it is il est indien. Il est indien. He is Indian. She is intelligent. And the sentence is elle est intelligente. Elle est intelligente. Again, intelligent, ending with E because we are using for the feminine. Okay. We are students, and that is nous sommes étudiants. Nous sommes étudiants. We all are students. Take one more example. They are French. That's a nationality. So it is Ils sont français. Ils sont français. And that means they are French. Well, that's all about this video. I hope you understand how to conjugate the verb être and how to frame a simple sentence about être. And yes, remember to subscribe my channel for learning French step by step in a very, very easy way. So till the next video, au revoir and take best care of your health. Thank you.